What's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna make a quick video on how to change out the door lock. This is what locks the door. I got the E3 F5, and this right here went bad inside here, so it wouldn't let the washer open up. We got the brand new one right here. This is what it looks like this. Well, what I'm going to do is to take this off, you're going to need 4 screws. You got one here, one here, one here, and one here, and this will come off. This top piece right here, it's a snap off. You can just take a screwdriver and put it behind here, and it'll pull this off. And once you pull this off, you got a bolt here. You got one here, one there, one there. Okay, so let me get to it. All right, so I just want to show you on this here. So you're gonna have 3 plugs. Let me see if you can see this here. All right, you're gonna have 3 plugs, and these top 2 right here, they go on the top, and this one down here, the pink one, goes in the bottom, and they all pretty much fit. Like you can see where it fits here. You see where it fit. The top fits up here, and the one on the bottom is just plugs in here, and you have a little small one. Where does the little small one go? It's right in underneath this thing here. Okay, so these are the 3 plugs right here. This is what you plug up right here. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, so we finally finished up. Just remember, you had to put the 4 bolts. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this whole thing has to come off for you to put the locks. This right here just popped off with a screwdriver, and then you got 2 bolts to put the locks. I already tested it out. Once it spins out, I don't get the E5 no more, and the door opens up fine. Okay, all right, so if I helped you out, guys, scroll below, hit the like and subscribe. All right, see you on the next one, man. Thanks.